Hello students, in this video we are discuss about 11th standard computer science chapter 4 topic types of operating system. Operating system are classified in the following types depending on their processing capabilities. There are two types of operating system. First one single user operating system, second one multi-user operating system. First, single user operating system. What is mean by single user operating system? An operating system allows only a single user to perform a task at a time. An operating system allows only a single user to perform a task at a time. At a time, a single, only one user to perform. So, this is a called single user operating system. Okay. An operating system allows only a single user to perform a task at a time. It is called a single user and a single task operating system. Example, MS-DOS is an example of single user operating system. MS-DOS is an example of single user operating system. Once again, what is single user operating system? An operating system allows only one user to perform any one task at a time. Okay. Yes. An operating system allows only a single user to perform a task at a time. It is called a single user operating system. What is the example of single user operating system? MS-DOS. Okay. Next type of operating system is multi-user operating system. It is used in computer and laptops. Multi-user operating system are used in laptops and computer. Okay, that allows same data and application to be accessed by multiple users at the same time. That allows same data and application to be accessed by multiple users at the same time. Multiple user can access at the same time is called as multi-user operating system. The user can also communicate with each other. Windows, Linux and Unix are example of multi-user operating system. What are the examples of multi-user operating system? Windows, Linux and Unix. Okay. So, this is the types of operating system. Another topic is key feature of the operating system. What are the key features of the operating system? The key feature of operating systems are: first one, user interface; second one, file management, memory management, fault tolerance, process management and security management. These are the key features of the operating system. First key feature is user interface. Okay, short form is UI. User interface is one of the significant feature in operating system. User interface is one of the significant feature in operating system. The only way that user can make interaction with a computer. Only way that user can make interaction with a computer. User can make interaction with a computer. This is the main reason for key success of GUI. This is the main reason is success of GUI. What is mean by GUI? GUI is graphical user interface. Okay. GUI based on operating system. The GUI is a window-based system with a point device to direct input-output, choose from menus, make selections and a keyboard to enter text. Its vibrant colors attract the user very easily. GUI is a window-based operating system. With using a pointing device. Pointing device means mouse. Mouse can be used in GUI operating system only. Okay, mouse can be used in GUI operating system. So, with a pointing device to direct IO means input output devices. Choose from menus. Pointing device using, what is the use of pointing device? Choose from menu and select any one object or menus or icons or tools. Anyone. Okay, and a keyboard to enter text. Keyboard using to enter a text. And GUI operating system have colorful colorful window. Okay, has a colorful window, so its vibrant colors attract the user very easily. It attract to colorful window is attract to user, attract to user, it's very easily. Okay, so this is the user interface. Next, now Linux distribution is also available as GUI based operating system. Another GUI based operating system is Linux. Windows is one of the GUI operating system. Another operating system is Linux. Okay, the following points are considered when the user interface is designed for an application. The points are considered when the user interface is designed for an application. First point, the user interface should enable the user to retain this expertise for a longer time. The user interface should enable who? Its user interface enable the user to retain this expertise for a long time. This expertise for longer time using this operating system. Okay, user expectate what? User expectate this operating system can be used in longer time. So the user interface should enable the user to retain this expertise for a longer time. Second, the user interface should also satisfy the customer based on their needs. The user interface should also be satisfy the customer based on their needs. Customer needs, satisfy the customer needs. Okay. Third point, the user interface should save user precious time, and the user interface should save user times, precious time. Okay. Next, the ultimate aim of an product is to satisfy the customer. The user interface is also satisfy the customer. Next, the user interface also satisfy the customer. User is first satisfy the user or customer. Okay, the user interface should reduce number of error committed by the user. It reduce number of error. Okay, reduce the error committed by the user. So this is the user interface. This is one of the key feature of the operating system. Another key feature or we are discuss about another next video. Okay.